Hello mga kamatiks. Okay. So today we're going to solve about the addition of radicals. Okay. So before we start, recall muna tayo kung paano mag-add ng radicals. So alam natin na we can only add radicals if similar radicals yung andito. So, pwede silang ma-add or ma-subtract kung similar yung tinatawag natin na radical expression. So, ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-add based on this two given. So, first, babasahin ko muna number 1, 6 square root of 12 plus 3 square root of 18. So, question, can we add this one? Dili, pwede. Nga naman, kailangan na tong i-extract first ang square root of 12. So, try to think kung pwede ba natin ma-extract. Okay? Very good. So, pwede nating ma-extract ang square root of 12. How about yung 18? Pwede ba natin ma-extract? Pwede rin. Very good. So now let us start. So 6, copy muna tayo. 6. So square root of, so ano yung extract ng 12? Ano yung possible factor ng 12 na yung isang factor niya is a perfect square? Okay? Ano? Very good. Which is 3 times 4. Now, plus, copy yung 3. Ito. Then, anong susunod? We're going to extract the square root of 18. So, ano kaya yung factor ng 18 na yung isang factor niya is a perfect square? Okay, meron ba? Okay, very good. Which is 2 times 9. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin dito next? So, kailangan i-extract yung perfect square. So, dito sa 6 square root of 3 times 4, ang 4 dito is a perfect square. So, mangyayari, i-extract natin magiging 6 times 2, then square root of 3. Okay? Kasi yung square root of 3 hindi pwedeng ma-extract. So, just copy. Plus 3. Then, extract natin yung 9 which is perfect square. So, magiging square root of 9. The answer is 3. So, 3 times 3. Then, just copy square root of 2. So, anong susunod? We're going to multiply yung 6 times 2 and 3 times 3. Now, next is 6 times 2. The answer is very good, 12. Then, just copy square root of 3. Plus 3 times 3. Anong sagot? The answer is 9. Then, copy square root of 2. Now, question. Pwede ba nating ma-add ang 12 square root of 3 plus 9 square root of 2? Similar terms ba sila? Similar ba yung radical expression nila or hindi? Very good. So, hindi sila magkapareho. Kasi as you can see, pwede lang natin ma-add sila kung pareho sila ng index at the same time yung radicand nila. So, itong 3. So, as you can see, pareho sila ng index which is 2, square root. Then, yung yung radicand nila is hindi magkapareho which is 3 and 2. So, anong mangyayari dito? Pwede bang i-add? Hindi. So, therefore, this would be the final answer. Yan. Okay? So, now, how about sa number 2? Yata, see? Number 2. So, sa number 2, try natin i-check yung square root of 4. So, anong nakikita sa square root of 4? Is it a perfect square? Oo. So, anong sagot dito? The answer here is 2 plus, copy natin yung 2 square root of 3. Now, question. Pwede ba nating i-add ang 2 plus 2 square root of 3? Pwede ba? Hindi. Bakit? Kasi yung 2 dito is constant. Then, yung sa kabila is meron siyang radical expression. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng i-add itong dalawa. So, hindi sila similar terms. So, only similar terms lang ang pwede natin i-add or i-subtract. So, ano yung sagot? It means this would be the final answer. Okay? So, that's all this evening and thank you. Goodbye.